Hello guys, this is Mark from Always Sold 123 video walk around for this 2013 Honda Fit, guys. 2013 Honda Fit. I got this car, it's affordable little Honda with manual transmission with a nice Carfax. Please take a look at the website at alwayssold123.com. Alright, we're gonna do this very quick. This is not a Bentley to talk about for an hour. This is a Honda Fit. Alright, so let's start over quick. Okay, we'll start it here. We got a windshield. Windshield looks good. It does have original Honda windshield, okay? The fender looks okay. The tires in the front, some Thomas, alright? And the wheels, some have some curb brush, alright? Right here, take a look. The tire size will be 185/55/16, and this is your tire tread. Keep that in mind, guys. Scratches, dings or dents, we're gonna go over them. Whatever we could see, we're gonna point it out. Okay, front bumper does have rock chips. Please look at it. Some scratches right there, okay, right here, and some rock chips on the hood. Okay, don't kill the messenger. I always say, don't kill the messenger, let him go. All right, so we got this side, okay, rock chips. You got some clear coat. I think somebody was like a faded paint and they clear coated this car, so it looks like the clear coat here. Somebody clear coated brand new, put a brand new clear coat. I'm getting, maybe not new, I don't know when it happened, but this is how we got the car. Okay, take a look. Does have some, like a little like nicks which comes off. I don't know how he does this detail. And you can see there's new clear coat right here also. Okay, so guys, once again, it does have some paint work, I'm guessing, or some clear coat that was sprayed over to make this car shiny. Okay, once again, don't forget it's over 10 years old, and this is what we have. Okay, now we have this door panel, looks good. You got a dashboard, of course, right there, 5-speed. Did I say 6-speed before? No, these cars are 5-speed. You got some wear and tear on the steering wheel. Okay, but the seats look good. We're gonna start the car. You got a Honda Fit floor mats, and you got a book, okay, and lug nuts right there. So don't be a nut, just get your lug nuts. Okay, we're gonna open this door. Okay, so we got the door panel, looks good. I don't see any rips. The seats look good. Take a look. These are the seats. You got a also back seats. You got a headliner. Headliner is also good. It's not sagging, guys. We in Florida, and the car smells okay. Smells good. Doesn't smell like animals or anything. All right. Okay. So let's go to this wheel. All right. You got a same semi-tomy tire. Let me go on the bottom of the car. Right here. That's the bottom of the car. And I don't see, once again, guys, I don't see any rust. Okay, right here. All right, so we'll come back to this side. Now, the rear bumper looks good. Little minor scratches. I don't even see it a lot. This thing opens up through that. I don't see any backup camera here. Okay, I think it's a pretty simple car. Got a lot of space, and you got a spare. I don't know what the jack is. I guess it's maybe one of those hidden places somewhere. I don't know. I got the tool. Oh, the jack is right there. The tools and everything. Okay. I'm gonna close this. Now we got the driver's side quarter panel right here. You got semi-tomy tires right there. Also, the tires all consistent. You got the whole side minor scratches. I don't know what that is. I don't know how he cleaned it up. You got some nicks right here. Some. Okay. Take a look. Let's open this up. Driver door. Driver seat. I don't see any damages on the seat. There's no holes. What I like about these cup holders. Very comfortable. Usually you don't have any cars with the cup holders on the side. Okay, so we got manual transmission. You know it's my favorite. I love manual cars. Let's see here. Okay, you see one powers up right away. You got 108,611 with miles, guys. 108,611 with miles. Sounds like a Honda to me. Okay, a Honda. You got some tinted windows right there. Alright. So you got a last Jiffy Lube oil change was on 104. So it was like 4,000 miles. I'm gonna open this one up. I like that it's all plain. Like guys, it's a plain simple car. Okay, you need a little runner. Here's the car. And drive stick shift on the Honda, you got it. All right. Once again, it's not brand new, and don't forget this is 12 years old. Okay, it's not brand new, but it's here to serve the purpose that you need this car for. Maybe you need to go to work, maybe you need to deliver food, or you just need a manual transmission little Honda to drive around to do your errands. Okay. Everything's solid. It looks very solid to me. Okay. Guys, take a look at this car, and I'll give you a friendly disclosure for obvious reasons. This vehicle is sold as is. Taxes, fees, registration is not included in price. Okay. Now, if you need out-the-door price, please call us. We'll give it to you. Now, if you need to do a purchase, if you are out of state, we will provide you documents via DocuSign. You sign everything electronically. Sometimes we do need paperwork notarized. We have wire instructions and shipping. Shipping is $1 to $1.50 from one zip code to another zip code, $1 to $1.50 per mile. Okay, guys. Once you have any questions, feel free to call us directly. You have people in the office to help you with all the questions, and me behind them to make sure you are happy. God bless, and bye-bye.